how to make a bird brooch from scratch. Hi, I'm Tanvi and today I'm going to give you a short tutorial of how to make a bird brooch. First, I drew the shape of the bird that I actually wanted my brooch to be in. I drew it on a plastic sheet, then I cut that out, and then I used some glue to stick the glass beads onto the plastic sheet. This was a bit of a time-taking process because the beads were slipping on the wet glue, but once I got the hang of it, it became far more easier to finish it in time. And as you can see, you have to very meticulously place one bead after the other. Of course, it would have been easier if I did this on a piece of cloth, but then I wanted it, the bird to stay stiff, so I used a plastic sheet. I wanted to reuse one of the plastic covers lying around in my house, so that's why I chose plastic. And once I was done with the initial outline with the color I wanted, I moved to using sequins, which complemented the colors of the bird. And once the sequence layer was done, in the second round I took a bit of shortcut wherein I put some glue and dabbed in the remaining beads, and it was way faster. Then I used some scrap fabric lying around in the house to make the feathers of the bird, and I took a piece of cloth which I cut into thin stripes, as you can see, to give that finish. And then I sewed the feathers together and stuck them using the glue at the back of this. Then I did some finishing touches. I also put a brooch pin at the back of this so that it can be easily pinned onto the outfit that I wanted to wear. And this is how it actually turned out. I love the end product. It looks fabulous. It goes with so many different outfits. Tell me in the comments what you think about it. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you with the next one.